Will my Raptor fit into my garage? I guess we will see, like right now. Well, I had about less than half an inch to spare, so we're gonna do it. Here we go, little guy. Ready to back this sucker up. Well, what I learned in life is slow is pro. Freaking out on me because I'm getting like mega super close to the wall. Her name's Jolene, I'm not going to be able to shut my garage. Yeah, baby. Jolene's got her new spot.